How's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart here at Great Plain Elementary School located in Danbury, Connecticut. Beautiful day. The children that I got to speak with and all the staff really touched my heart, and I know I was able to touch theirs as well, because the feedback was that they understand what it truly means to show kindness, to be kind, and to live it. And I was honored to be here because they are the first school that has been selected for the Ben's Bell Project, which is all about kindness here in the state of Connecticut. So I was very happy to hear that, and it's really a privilege to be here. But the main theme that we really got to speak on today, and I got to reinforce, dealt with bullying, and more than that, looking at someone's heart first before anything else. Like the shirt says here, one race human, and we also see everybody as human beings before anything else as well. Because if we don't, we can cause a lot of pain in someone's heart, which is as big as our fist, that can last forever. But eventually, this love can overcome that. The hurt people who hurt people can turn into healed people who heal people, and then this turns into this, right? The peace sign, one finger ourselves, and the other one, someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by our words, by our actions, by what we choose to do on a daily basis, positive or negative. We can uplift or we can bring down. So we have that choice to constantly choose love. A big part of that starts with understanding our worth as well and our value. We all have the letter M etched on our palms with the lines of our hands. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. This means that we're worthy of love, to both give it and to receive it. And the whole concept is that if we believe we're good enough, that's one thing, but now we help someone else believe that they're great enough too. And to make them feel welcome into this world, to really be the light to their heart, that's our job as human beings, is to always show that love. So again, it was an honor to be here. Keep sharing your hearts. Hope to see you guys again soon. Much love. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that you'll see pop up here, as well as check out my website to learn more about where Mr. Peace will be next. There's a link here as for that, and a video playlist to check out some other amazing clips about what we're trying to do to spread this message of love, kindness, and peace.